Hello.
Oh, hi. It's Wanda.
Obviously.
So I'm here because, well, in the last 2 weeks I was out of commission, and now that I'm back, there's been a snowstorm, and I think it's going to continue, but I thought we were going to come over and do your sidewalk, your steps, your porch at your house.
And I'll be paying you with my money.
Yes.
Well, I think you better get to work, Wanda.
Yes, I will.
Don't slip. I don't have insurance for people like you. Sorry.
Oh, no worry. Trust the deafblind. We do a better job.
Hello, Wanda.
Oh, hi. So I just want to give you an update. This is what I have so far after 1 hour. Just doing the steps, and I'll be doing the pathway and the sidewalk.
Okay. Question, Wanda. How much do you charge an hour?
Well, we didn't negotiate this, which we should have done in advance. What's a fair price deal?
$10 an hour.
10?
And what is your normal fee?
Can we talk about this?
Yes, why don't you finish it and then we can talk.